right, boys and girls, so today we're going to be learning 3 basic moves to our merengue. So basically first, what we're going to do is bring our feet together and we're going to bring our knees forward. One knee forward, one knee goes back. Now my hands, my arms, they also come forward, never down, always come forward towards our belly. Okay, so bend your knees, that's it. We're going to do 8 of these. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Watch your hips as well. Okay, they're moving with the knees. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Let's do it a little bit faster. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So that's the merengue basic. Second move, we're going to go forward and back. So exactly what we did, but this time take your step forward, bring your whole body forward, and then go back. So travel. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. So that's the merengue travel. And the last move, a third step, is a merengue side. So what we're going to do, basically, we're going to take a step to the side and bring your feet together, step to the side and bring your feet together. Also, make sure your hips, they follow your legs. Never lock them. Wear our hands forward as well. So here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 1, 2, 3, merengue. Yes. Now, during the dance, we're also going to add our arms for merengue basic. Okay, we're going to do a lot of these moves as well. So let's go through all of them. Merengue basic. That's it. You can add your arms because we're going to add them as well. Good. Merengue forward and back. That's it. And merengue to the side. Yes. Well done, boys and girls. You did it. All right, we're ready to dance the merengue. Let's do it. All right, boys and girls, here we go. Let's go merengue. The basic moves first. Here we go. Forward and back.
Oye, me dio una fiebre el otro día por causa de tu amor cristiana que escapara de la enfermería sin yo tener seguro en cama y me inyectaron suero de colores y me sacaron la radiografía y me diagnosticaron mal de amores al ver mi corazón como latía. Oye, me trastearon el alma con rayo X cirugía y es que la ciencia no funciona.
That's it, guys.
Solo tu beso, vida mía. Ay, negra, mira, búscate un carrete. Inyéctame tu amor como insulina.
Are we ready?
Y dame vitamina de cariño. Que me ha subido la bilirrubina. Me sube la bilirrubina. Cuando te miro y no me miras. Y no lo quita la aspirina. Es un amor que contamina. Oye, me sube la bilirrubina. Cuando te miro y no me miras. Y no lo quita la aspirina. Es un amor que contamina.
Oh, yes. Take it to the side. That's it. Moving your hands and nice and steady. That's it, guys. All right, back to basic.
Inyéctame tu amor como insulina. Vestido tengo el rostro de amarillo. Y me ha subido la bilirrubina.
Are we ready to travel? Here we go.
Me sube la bilirrubina.
Yes, here we go.
Cuando te miro y no me miras. Y no lo quita la aspirina.
Whole body.
Es un amor que contamina. Oh, yeah. te contamina.
All right, are we ready to do a funnel? Well done, boys and girls. Girls, we did it. Well done. Well done. Thank you so much, and Miss Val, thank you for being part of our dance today. I'll see you soon. Adios for now.